Hi.
Hi!
As we promised, let's talk about ICT Society STEM Kit. To begin with, computational skills should be emphasized while strategically integrating the Internet of Things in education to develop students' understanding of the nature and advantages of Industry Revolution 4.0, along with relevant modules to assist STEM education in the area of information and communications technology, which is ICT.
That's true. However, a major challenge we are facing to increase the exposure is the number of students taking science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subject is declining annually. The popular reasons of fewer student interest in STEM is because they tend to choose subjects that are much easier or they could not see how science can play important roles in their life. Thus, an interactive learning tool could facilitate in promoting STEM interest among students while inculcating the fundamental knowledge of ICT and its importance in daily life.
Yes, indeed. And taking that into consideration, ICT Society Kit is developed with the objective in tackling these issues. This kit consists of 2 activities focusing on binary coding and logical thinking. Through the first activity, participants will use 2 colors of beads, each represent the 1 and 0 in binary code. Participants will create their own necklace based on the binary coding of their initials. Meanwhile, the second activity integrates the understanding of algorithm concept along with logical thinking. Participants are required to create an algorithm to lead their avatar within the right path to the finishing line while avoiding the obstacles.
Yup, that's right. This module comprises 3 sessions focusing on binary coding, algorithm and logical thinking, which was conducted in 2 rural schools, which is SMK Dato' Panjang and SMK Tiram Jaya from Kuala Selangor, Selangor, Malaysia. 47 participants were evaluated via survey to evaluate STEM abilities gained from the ICT module for critical thinking, innovativeness, problem solving, and decision making.
On top of that, the survey revealed favorable attitude towards the module with mean value above average.
Critical thinking 3.46, creativity 3.08, problem solving 3.38, and decision making 3.55. Survey demonstrate a high level of effectiveness with 64% of participants having interest in learning more about STEM.
ICT Society STEM Kit received positive feedback from the public, especially among parents and teachers, as they could see the interest and knowledge gained by the participants while conducting the module. This module is unique, mobile, affordable, and most importantly, easily applied in a rural school setting. This kit could inspire younger generation to pursue STEM fields, which is important to create a smarter and innovative society.
Materials: manual card, conversion card, binary number card, 3 separate rings, string, 2 colors of beads.
To make the necklace, participants will write their initials along with the binary coding on the binary number card. No need to worry regarding the code, as they can refer to the conversion card that is included in the kit. Next, as for this demonstration, we use pink beads as 0 and blue beads as 1. Insert the recording beads through the string, and here we are making the capital I alphabet. The usage of separate rings given is to separate between each alphabet.
Material: manual card, 4 army toys, playing board, 4 different colors of button, and card for notes.
As for the second module, with the manual card provided, students may pick different colors of buttons to navigate, such as red up, green down, yellow left, and blue right. Next, the students will use their avatar to move around the board according to the buttons that has been arranged. Finally, the students who have shown the right direction are considered winners.
To conclude, this ICT Society STEM Kit has received very positive feedback, and based on observation and survey conducted, the participants were engaging and able to comprehend the fundamental knowledge and instigated in the module. Further tests are required to improve this module with the goal of implementing this module at schools in Selangor and Malaysia at large.